again, folks. What did you think to that then? Hey, I really need to say a massive thank you to our friend Parky. I can't appreciate you doing that enough for me, mate. Now, he has made it clear. I need to let all you folks know, even though he did this intro for me, that he's definitely not doing any for anyone else ever. That's the last one ever. So, I'm very honoured, mate, that I managed to, well, I was only talking to him about maybe, how much would he do one for and all this business. But anyway, intro's down to Parky, and may I say, what a wonderful job. You're a legend and a really nice guy, and I will send something out in the post to show my token of appreciation in the near future. So thank you for that ever so much, my friend. Right, now I've got a couple of thank yous to say and an announcement. The first one is to Hozza, because he's just recently sent me this Sony camcorder, so I can apply that to making some more videos. How cool is that? Thank you so much, my friend. That is, again, super awesome. Let's see if I can get some stickers up the back there. And finally, this is the sad bit. I've got an unboxing, and this is going to be the last unboxing ever from our friend, the Irish Lockpicker, Peter Lewis. And the reason for that is he's just leaving Locksport, guys. He's had enough. He's just going to be leaving. It's a sad day. As you know, I've done some unboxings recently. He's been clearing out all of his locks, apart from his Yales, that is. He's keeping those. But that's it for now. He's off, the past is new. He's, as he says, he's just got, the spark has gone, he says. So he wishes everybody all the best. He'll probably comment on this video, and if he does, I'll pin it. If anybody wants to wish him well, this will probably be the last Locksport video he looks at. And yeah, he's just had enough, and he's going to move on. So yeah, if everyone can wish him well, that'd be awesome. It's been a pleasure getting to know you, Peter. I got to know him, well, I first heard of him about 4 years ago. I started watching Brummy, and he mentioned him, and Joe Pix and Chris Capoon. But yeah, he's moving on to past is new. And as a thank you for being such a good customer, his final package, he's just sent me a few locks for nothing, out of the goodness of his heart. That's the sort of guy he was. So yeah, I've got this beautiful Abus monoblock S92, all in a packet, which is awesome. And then we've got another monoblock here. Let's have a look. So yeah, we're going to miss you, Peter. I think I speak for us all. It's going to be, you're going to leave a, I always liked your enthusiasm when you were showing us your locks and sharing us your latest purchases with the community. Not to mention your t-shirts. You got a good sense of humour, man. So yeah, may I wish you all the best in your future endeavours, and may light shine on your path the whole way through. Look at that, an 8290. Just got a little try on that. It's lovely. Thank you so much for that as well. Oh, that was a diddy little yellow combination lockbook. Oh, let's have a, I wonder if that's set to factory. First thing you do when you get one is check if it's 000 or 123, and it's 000. That's awesome. Oh, and I've been messing about. I thought, let's see what you think to this. I thought I'd put a little light in here. Don't know how well it'll light up. Ta-da! What do you think of that? So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much to Parky for all his hard work on the intro. Thank you, Peter. It's been a pleasure getting to know you, and be sad to see you go, mate. And thank you, Hozza, as well, for yet another lovely gift. Until next time, folks, I'll see you all soon. Take care. That's it for now. Bye-bye.